The A to Z animal family. Wake up, ABCs. Come and meet your friends. A is for alligator, big and green, with a smile. B is for bear, so fluffy and brown, sleeping softly, without a sound. C is for cat, curled in a crown, and D is for dog, bouncing all over town. E is for elephant, with a trunk so high. F is for fox, running fast by. G is for giraffe, what a long yellow trail. H is for hippo, in a big water pail. I is for iguana, standing on a bud. J is for jellyfish, bobbing in the flood. K is for kangaroo, with nothing to fear. L is for lion, who is king of the deer. M is for monkey, N is for newt, O is for owl, giving a hoot. P is for parrot, colorful and bright. Q is for quail, running with all his might. R is for rabbit, hopping away. S is for snake. T is for tiger, today. U is for Uriel, on a mountain so steep. V is for vulture, who watches while we sleep. W is for wolf. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. The whole family is here, A to Z. Hooray! W is for wolf, X is for X-ray fish, Y is for yak, and Z is for zebra. The whole family is here, A to Z. Hooray!